Hello. Welcome to K-Numbers. We will start learning math using the virtual manipulatives, and we'll go step by step through each unit. You can download this program at k9math.com. We will start from addition and subtraction. To zoom out, or in, double tap. We will start from numbers through 10. Divide using a 2 Cuisenaire rod and another Cuisenaire rod. Divide a Cuisenaire rod, it means split into 2 groups. To separate correctly, we will compare the originals with new Cuisenaire rods. Two is equal to 2, we don't need to add an extra Cuisenaire rod. Do subtraction by taking away the chips. 3 minus 2. We remove 2 chips here. Now, we took away 2 chips, the answer is 1. Do subtraction. Again, to do a correct subtraction we compare the subtrahend with minuend. We need 3 more Cuisenaire rods here. What is the sum of the dots in the 2 squares? Do subtraction by moving the rubber bands. 7 minus 1, we go one number back, or to the left. The answer is 6. Do subtraction. Do addition. To add, we bring Cuisenaire rods together, and compare. Five plus 3. We go to the right side 3 times. It is 8. Thank you. We will study 2-digit numbers plus and minus 1-digit number next. If you want to practice more, download the application on k9math.com.